Good morning, students. How are you all? Fine? Good. मजेत आहात ना? मजेतच राहा. बृहन्मुंबई महानगरपालिका शिक्षण विभाग आयोजित शिक्षण सर्वांसाठी या उपक्रमांतर्गत मी सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांचे ऑनलाईन टीचिंग मध्ये स्वागत करते. मी श्वेता त्रिभुवन. शाळा धारावी ट्रान्झिस्ट कॅम्प मराठी स्कूल. स्टँडर्ड 6. Subject English. Today we are going to see the chapter 1.6 Grandpa Tells a Story. Before starting our topic, I would like to ask some questions. Are you ready? Okay. Can anyone tell me, do you like stories? Yes? Oh, good. Who tells you stories? Grandfather? Okay. Grandmother? Very good. Mother? Oh. Father? Acha, teacher also. Good. But जेव्हा तुम्ही एखाद्याकडून गोष्ट ऐकत असता तेव्हा तुम्ही त्या व्यक्तीला मध्येच थांबवून काही विचारता का? Did you interrupt anyone ever? Yes? तू काय म्हटलेस मला कळलं नाही, मला शेवटचं वाक्य कळलं नाही, मला शेवटचा शब्द कळला नाही, पुन्हा सांगता का, असं काही? तसंच काही we are going to see in this chapter. We are going to see interruptions and responses in this chapter. Okay, let's see. Grandpa tells a story. Grandfather was telling a story to Ronak and his friends. Who was telling a story? Correct. Grandfather was telling a story. Grandfather was telling a story to whom? Right. Ronak and his friends. Good. Very good. Okay. Then what happened? Grandpa started telling a story. Grandpa, once upon a time, near the water's edge, Ronak, excuse me, Grandpa, what is an edge? What did Ronak ask? Ronak asked, what is an edge? But before that, he said, excuse me, Grandpa. Means he interrupted Grandpa. Who interrupted Grandpa first? Correct, Ronak. Okay, then next we'll see what grandfather is saying. Grandfather said, my dear boy, allow me to complete this sentence. Once upon a time, a camel and a jackal lived by a river near the water's edge. And on the other side of the river, there was a village with fields and farms. Now, can anyone help Ronak with the word age? Yes. That time Ishan said, let me guess. Is it the border or the line where one thing stops and another begins? Is it the border or the line where one thing stops and another begins? What was the Ronak's question? What is an age? See, this is an age. The one thing stop and the border where one thing stops and another begins. Okay. Now what grandpa is saying? You are right. Now the jackal was very clever. He tried to play a trick on his friend camel, who was happily munching away. And what Radhika said? Because grandpa काय म्हणाले की जॅकल खूप हुशार होता. तर त्यांनी काय ठरवलं की आपल्या कॅमल जो त्याचा मित्र आहे त्याची गंमत करूया. तेव्हा राधिका लगेच काय विचारते, ग्रँडपा, could you please repeat the last phrase? How did Radhika interrupt grandpa? She asked, Grandpa, could you please repeat the last phrase? Grandpa said, happily munching away. The camel was happily and slowly eating or munching away. What grandpa said? The camel was happily and slowly eating or munching away. Slowly means camel was acting of consuming food. Okay. Then what children said? Children said, oh, it means they got the answer. Okay. Then grandpa started saying his story. Grandpa said, the jackal began to tempt him to go for a sugarcane treat. Okay. जॅकलने काय केलं, उंटाला टेम्प्ट करायला सुरुवात केली की चल आपण शुगरकेन ट्रीट कडे जाऊ. टेम्प्टचा अर्थ काय आहे, ट्रीटचा अर्थ काय आहे, आठवतं का काही? बघा हा आपला पूर्ण टॉपिक होईपर्यंत आठवायचा आहे. आणि नाही आठवलं तर मी सांगणारच आहे. आय एम गोइंग टू टेल यू द मीनिंग, बट बिफोर यू गेस इट. ओके, चलो नेक्स्ट. ग्रैंडपा said, Vidya said again. Vidya interrupted grandpa again. Pardon, grandpa. I didn't get the last words. Could you please repeat those? Could you please repeat those? Again Vidya interrupted grandpa. Then what happened next? Grandpa said, a sugarcane treat. A sugarcane treat. Then also Vidya didn't understand. She again interrupted grandpa. Sorry, grandpa, but I did not understand the phrase, a sugarcane treat. Then grandpa answered, a treat is something special that one enjoys. The jackal wanted the camel to go with him to sugarcane field. ग्रँडपाने अर्थ समजावला की ज्या ट्रीटने आपल्याला आनंद मिळतो अशी गोष्ट ज्यासाठी तो कोल्हा त्या उंटाला टेम्प्ट करत होता. ओके, आठवलं का अर्थ त्याचा? नाही आठवला? ओके फाईन, आपण पुढे जाऊया. विल सी व्हॉट अक्षय इज सेइंग. अक्षय सेड, Grandpa, can I explain further? The jackal and the camel were going to eat and enjoy the sugar cane from the farmer's field. Akshay said, can I explain further? Means Akshay also interrupted Grandpa in between the story. Okay, so what Radhika is saying? Radhika said, Radhika said, why? Everyone will enjoy a sugarcane treat. She said, everyone will enjoy a sugarcane treat. Just like me, just like you. Okay, everyone. Okay. Grandpa said, yes. You have understood the meaning of treat. Grandpa said, Radhika and Vidya got the answer. Did you get the answer? What is the meaning of treat? Not yet? Okay, think little bit. Acha. Gauri. What Gauri said? Please continue, Grandpa. Let's listen to the story. But tell me, please, does it mean that they were going to steal from the farmer? She said, does it mean that they were going to steal from the farmer? So, what Shreya said? Shreya was a little bit bothered. She said, maybe, but let's listen to the story. Maybe, but let's listen to the story. Grandpa, let's please have the question later. What she said? Grandpa, let's please have the questions later. So, can anyone tell me how many interruptions are there in this topic? How many we have started from Ronak? Okay, we'll see the page number 18. Okay, on page number 18, you will get full topic. So, from there, we will find out all the interruptions. Okay, first one, Ronak said. What Ronak said? Ronak said, Ronak said, एक मिनट Ronak said that, excuse me, Grandpa, where is my page? Okay, it is there. I found it. Now I'll click for you. My page. I got my page. Now this is the Ronak's answer. Ronak interruption. What Ronak said? Excuse me, Grandpa. Now, first Ronak said. Okay. Then second time, who interrupted? Second time, who interrupted? Let's see. Second time, did you remember who interrupted? I did ask the question. Yes, Radhika. Radhika said. What Radhika said? Grandpa, could you please repeat the last phrase? This one is the last one. Now, which one is the third one? This one is the second one. Okay. Which one is the third one? Third one is, pardon, Grandpa. I didn't get the last words. Could you repeat those? What Vidya said? Pardon, Grandpa. I didn't get the last words. Could you repeat those? This was the third one. Okay. Again Vidya interrupted. How? She said, sorry, Grandpa, but I did not understand. Oh, no, this is not the sentence. This one we want. So, sorry, Grandpa, I did not understand the phrase. Which phrase? She said, sugarcane treat. Okay, okay, okay. You got it? Which one? The sugarcane treat. This one is the fourth one. And the last one, can I explain further? Akshay said. So, how many interruptions we got? 5. Okay. So, do you think you can use these interruptions in your daily basis? When you are listening stories, when you are listening something, anything from your friends, from your mother, from your father, from anybody. Do you think you can use these phrases? Yes? Okay. Then we'll see the responses. Okay? We'll see the responses. Okay. See this. Interruptions and responses. Which is the first one? Pardon. And what is the response? Yes. If someone will say pardon, what will be the response? Yes. It can be question. Yes, like this. Excuse me, sir. What will be the response? Again, yes. Then, if someone asks, excuse me, madam, again the response is the same. Yes, yes, question mark. Now, which is the second one? Can you repeat that, please? Can you repeat that, please? What will be the response? Sure. What will be the response? Sure. Will you please say that again? What is the response? Certainly. खात्रीने मी ते पुन्हा रिपीट करू शकतो. मी ते पुन्हा बोलू शकतो. Okay. Now, sorry, but I did not get the last word. मला नाही कळाला शेवटचा शब्द. तर काय होईल रिस्पॉन्स? Okay, I will repeat it. If someone will ask, sorry, I did not get the last sentence. What will be the response? Okay, I will repeat it. Okay, now next phrase. Could you please explain that? Could you please explain that? And response will be, I will explain it afterwards. I will explain it afterwards. Acha. Could you explain the meaning of something? No. Could you explain the meaning of treat? Could you explain the meaning of munching food? Could you explain the meaning of anything? What will be the answer? What will be the response? Not now, later on. And the last one. Excuse me, can I ask something? Excuse me, can I ask something? And the response will be, go ahead. जर कोणी विचारलं की मला काही विचारायचं आहे, मी विचारू शकतो का? आपण म्हणणार आहोत, हो, तुम्ही विचारू शकता. So, do you think you can use these phrases in your daily basis routine? You can. Yes. For that, you need to practice these phrases. How you will practice it? I'll show you one demo. Then you can understand that you can practice it by using these phrases. Okay. So this is our first, this is my first example, which is this. Okay, एक minute, I'm showing you. Okay, we saw all those things. Now we are going to see my demo of using phrases. Okay, we got it. This is, okay, this is my example number 1. What is the sentence? There are 2 sentences. The camel didn't say anything. He let the jackal sit on his back and entered the river. 2 sentences are there. The camel didn't say anything. He let the jackal sit on his back and enter the river. What will be the interruptions and responses for these 2 sentences? Okay, you can ask, excuse me, ma'am. Okay, we can think that these 2 sentences are saying by your teacher. So what your teacher will say? Yes. What will be your phrase? Next phrase? Could you repeat the sentence, please? तुम्ही टीचरला सांगू शकता. कोणाला सांगू शकता? जो वाचतोय लिसन, जो वाचतोय सेंटेन्स, की तू पुन्हा ते वाचू शकता का? रिपीट करू शकते का? Answer will be, response will be, sure, you can. Okay. Then if we say yes, sure, then what we should do? We should repeat the sentence. The same way, the camel did not say anything. He let the jackal sit on his back and enter the river. Okay. Then we'll see next example. Example number 2. There is also one sentence. Near the middle of the river, the water was deep. Near the middle of the river, the water was deep. The water was very deep. Interruptions. Excuse me, can I ask something? You can ask like this. की तुम्हाला त्याच्याबद्दल आणखीन काय माहिती हवं असेल किंवा तेच तुम्हाला विचारायचं असेल, तुम्ही विचारू शकता की मी काही विचारू शकतो का? बोलणारा व्यक्ती म्हणू शकतो, गो अहेड, विचारा. तुम्ही विचारा, मी सांगायला तयार आहे ना त्या अर्थाने. मग काय विचारायचं आहे, काय हे विचारायचं आहे. पण इथे फॉर एक्झाम्पल आपण काय म्हटले, कोणती फ्रेज घेतली इंटरप्शनची? विल यू प्लीज से दॅट अगेन ना. मग त्याचं उत्तर हो नक्की, सर्टनली. आणि मग जर सर्टनली म्हटलं तर आपल्याला काय करायला हवं? वी नीड टू रिपीट द सेंटेन्स. नियर द मिडल ऑफ द रिव्हर द वॉटर वॉज डीप. Okay, then the one more interruption over there. Sorry, but I did not get the last word. Okay, sorry, but I did not get the last word. मला last word नाही कळाला. So what will be the response? Okay, I will repeat it. Deep. Okay, I will repeat it. Deep. Could you explain the meaning of deep? ना? आपल्याला डीपचा मिनिंग हवाय, तर आपण काय करू शकतो? विचारू शकतो की could you explain the meaning of deep? What will be the answer? You can say yes, or you can say later on, not now, or I will explain it afterwards. Okay. These are 2 examples for interruptions and responses. And you have to use these phrases every day, every time. Okay. Because practice makes the man perfect. Now we'll see the meanings. See, we are going to see this story, tit for tat, which grandpa was telling. Okay, this story grandpa was telling, so that's why we are looking for the meanings. Tit for tat, जशास तसे, जैसे को तैसा मिला. ना? Now to tempt. आय आस्क्ड यू, जे टू टेम्प्ट म्हणजे मोहात पाडणे. जेव्हा तुमची मम्मी तुम्हाला सांगत असते की बाळा रे अभ्यास कर, परीक्षा आली आहे, बाळा रे अभ्यास कर, तू ह्या विषयात कच्चा आहेस, बाळा रे अभ्यास कर, प्रॅक्टिस होईल. आणि त्याच वेळेला तुमचे मित्र जेव्हा तुम्हाला बाहेर बोलवत असतात, ये रे थोडस खेळूया ना, सगळे मित्र गोळा झालेले असतात, ते तुम्हाला बोलवत असतात, तेव्हा तुम्हाला टेम्पटेशन येतं खेळण्याचं. किंवा तेव्हा एखादा मित्र तुम्हाला हे बोलवत असेल की ये रे आपण वेगळं काहीतरी करूया जे तुम्हाला आवडतंय. तुम्ही मोहात पडणं आपण त्याला म्हणतो, की आपल्याला टेम्पटेशन येतं की नाही मी जाऊ का आता खेळायला, नाही मी जातोच. असं जे काही वाटतं मोहात पडतो त्याला आपण म्हणतो टू टेम्प्ट. आता टू हेजिटेट, हे टीट फॉर डॅट जी ग्रँडपा गोष्ट सांगणार आहेत त्यातले पण सगळे काही शब्द मी इथे घेतलेले आहेत. म्हणजे पुढे गोष्ट वाचताना आपल्याला आधी अर्थ माहित असेल त्या शब्दांचे, नवीन शब्दांचे, तर इट विल बी इझी फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टँड द स्टोरी. येस, ओके. तर टू हेजिटेट, संकोच वाटणे. तुम्हाला वाटतो का कधी संकोच? डिड यू एव्हर हेजिटेट इन युअर लाईफ? येस, I think yes. I think your answer will be yes. Why you know? Because when someone will ask you, speak in English, give me answer in English. Not all, but some of you may got hesitate. Hmm? Someone will laugh at me. I'll make mistakes. हं? म्हणजे हे जे संकोच वाटतो की नाही मी आता जर इंग्लिशमध्ये बोललो माझ्या चुका झाल्या तर लोक मला हसतील. जर मी आता इंग्लिशमध्ये बोलायचा प्रयत्न केला तर मला चुका होतील माझ्या. आणि मग आपल्याला संकोच वाटतो ते बोलण्याचा. हे मी फक्त इंग्लिशसाठी घेतलं, पण हे बऱ्याच वेळेला होऊ शकतं की एखादी गोष्ट आपल्याला संकोच वाटते. आता इथे टू रेड म्हणजे छापे टाकणे. रेड तर तुम्हाला माहिती आहे, रेड टाकली पोलिसांनी ना, पण इथे एखाद्या ठिकाणी हल्ला बोल करणे म्हणा किंवा एका ठिकाणी अनपेक्षित म्हणजे असं जाऊन त्या व्यक्तीवर असं त्या गोष्टीवर आपण, जसं तो उंट आणि कोल्ह्याची गोष्ट आपण आता पाहत आहोत, तर ते त्या शुगर केन फील्डवर रेड टाकतात, म्हणजे तसा छापा टाकतात, पोलिसांचा नव्हे, त्यांना ते खायचं असतं म्हणून. ओके. मग पुढे आहे टू हाऊ म्हणजे ओरडणे. मग टू स्लीप अवे दूर सरकणे. टू टेक अ डीप डुबकी मारणे. टू लर्न द लेसन धडा शिकवणे. म्हणजे आता मी जो तुम्हाला धडा शिकवते तो नव्हे बरं. आपण आपल्या आयुष्यामध्ये काही धडे शिकतो ना, खूप अभ्यास केला की चांगले मार्क मिळतात. मग आपल्याला कळतं की मी चांगला अभ्यास केला तर मला चांगले मार्क मिळतात. मग कधी कधी असं होतं की परीक्षा आहे उद्या, पण टीव्हीवर खूप सुंदर पिक्चर लागलेला आहे आणि आपल्याला टेम्पटेशन येतं. अगेन आय एम गोइंग टू यूज टू टेम. आपल्याला टेम्पटेशन येतं दॅट ओके आय वॉच द मूवी फर्स्ट अँड देन आय डू माय स्टडी ना. आणि मग आपल्याला मार्क चांगले पडत नाहीत. मग आपण काय लेसन घेतो? अभ्यास करणं गरजेचं आहे. पिक्चर पुन्हा पाहता आला असता. अभ्यास परीक्षा पुन्हा पुन्हाच होत, तीच परीक्षा पुन्हा नाही होऊ शकत. मार्क आपले कमी झाले. आपण हा धडा शिकतो आपल्या आयुष्यामध्ये. ओके. टू प्ले अ ट्रिक म्हणजे युक्ती वापरणे, गंमत करणे. जसं आपण पहिल्यांदाच याच्यामध्ये ग्रँडपाने जेव्हा सुरुवात केली, वेन ग्रँडपा स्टार्टेड सेइंग द स्टोरी, वेन ग्रँडपा स्टार्टेड टेलिंग द स्टोरी, ही सेड की तो जो कोल्हा होता, he tried to play a trick. I didn't ask any question on this because I want to ask questions on the story when we are going to see the story. So in this topic, I just wanted you to see interruptions and responses. Focus on interruptions and responses. So that's why I have focused only interruptions and responses. Now we are looking for meanings because we are going to see the story and you will get these words in the story. So you need to know the meanings, then only you can enjoy the story, right? Okay. So do we have time? If we have time, we will see the video of the story, Tit for Tat. Okay, if we'll complete this video, then we'll see full story. If we can't complete this video in this session, we will start the story in the next session. Okay, till then we will watch the video. Okay, chalo. See, who are there in the picture? What do you see in the picture? Yes. Now, grandpa is telling the story. A camel and a jackal lived by a river near the water's edge. ये तो हमने पढ़ा है अभी अभी ना. Okay, the next we will see. And on the other side of the river there was a village with fields and farms. ये भी हमने पढ़ा है. We have already read it. अच्छा, now next we will see. The jackal was very clever. He tried to play a trick on his friend the camel, who was happily munching away. ये भी हमने पढ़ा है. The jackal began to tempt him to go for a sugarcane treat in a farmer's field. ये भी हमने पढ़ा है. अच्छा. Now at first camel hesitated, but in the end he agreed to go with the jackal to raid the sugarcane field. Okay. The jackal sat on the camel's back. They ate their fill in the sugarcane field. Suddenly, the jackal began to howl. Shh, said the camel. You will wake the farmer. But the jackal went on howling. Sure enough, the farmer and his helpers came running to the field. The naughty jackal slipped away, but the poor camel could not do so. The farmer beat him up and drove him away. The jackal was waiting for the camel at the riverside. He said, Sorry, brother, but I am in the habit of singing after a good dinner. I hope you didn't mind it much. The camel didn't say anything. He let the jackal sit on his back and entered the river. Near the middle of the river, the water was very deep. There the camel began to take a dip in the river. The jackal was frightened. What are you doing, you silly fellow? Are you trying to drown me? The jackal was frightened. What are you doing, you silly fellow? Are you trying to drown me? No, brother, said the camel. It's just that I am in the habit of taking a dip in the river after a good meal. I hope you don't mind. The naughty jackal learnt his lesson. He never troubled the camel again. Tit for tat. जशास तसे. काय शिकलो बरं आपण ह्या गोष्टीतून? ही गोष्ट फक्त एक व्हिडिओ दाखवलेला आहे. आपण पुढच्या पिरियडला आपण काय करणार आहोत? ही गोष्ट पाहणार आहोत. पण सध्या मी तुम्हाला गोष्टीचा व्हिडिओ दाखवलेला आहे. म्हणजे तुम्ही आता घरी गेल्यानंतर घरीच आहात. पण मग काही वेळानंतर जेव्हा केव्हा तुम्ही तुमचं पुस्तक उघडाल, when you open your book, you will read the lesson, you will try to understand the lesson, you will try to understand the story, and then next period I'll ask some questions on the story. मी तुम्हाला ती समजावून सांगेन. आणि जर तुम्हाला ती समजली असेल तर तुम्ही मला सांगणार आहात. समजावून नाही पण गोष्ट सांगू शकता. तुम्हाला उंटाची आणि कोल्ह्याची गोष्ट माहीतच आहे. ती फक्त इंग्लिश मध्ये आहे. आपण त्याच्यावर प्रश्न विचारणार आहोत. आपण ती गोष्ट समजून घेणार आहोत. आता वेळ संपली आपली. मी पुढच्या वेळी आपण भेटणार आहोत, पण डोंट फॉरगेट, यूज interruptions and responses. Don't forget to read the story. Okay? Bye. See you soon.